This is Mr. Toby from Tobys Group, and today's last day of 2024, and tomorrow is the new era in 2025, and actually whatever, no matter good or bad, past is past. So we have to keep powerful face to 2025. So in 2024, what we did, and Tobys, what we did, we opened 2 shops in Saudi Arabia, and we make company structures fully ready in Saudi Arabia. And in Dubai side, we open camping showroom, and for products part, we have the most innovation products in our company for Tobys RX line, U series, T series. Okay, this is for the camping products. We have the new ideas, new visions of the future of camping products. So the products part and the company structure part. And number 3, our staff. Our staff is like our brothers, sisters. So we treating them like our heart. We take care of everybody like our heart, and we take care of our customers and suppliers. We're same like our inside people. Inside people. So 2025, we have our dreams. The international situation we're going to, you can see more hard. Okay, the trading war will start after 20 days. Okay, so the international situation will come to very difficult, and the trading war and technology war, and will make the world shaking. So what we think about Tobys, we make our plan, and we focus our plan. We training inside, make strong ourselves. So no matter international situation, how hard is it? So at least we should keep our target and do whatever we can do to finish our target. So this is what I try to give the message to all our suppliers and our customers. And in 2025, we wish you to be ready yourself and to face to the hard and difficult things, and be careful about cash flow, and careful about expansion, and make safe of the company, and make safe of our people inside, and take care everybody around you. Thank you very much. Tobys, wish you Happy New Year 2025. Tobys Professional.